In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel AutoDS subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your subscription is properly cancelled without confusion. First, make sure you're signed into the correct AutoDS account you want to cancel. If you manage multiple stores or profiles, double check you're in the right one before proceeding. Keep in mind that cancelling a subscription may pause automations and certain connected features. If you rely on reports or listings, consider saving anything important beforehand so you're not caught off guard later. Once you're in your AutoDS account, look to the left side of the dashboard. You'll see the main navigation panel there. Find and click Settings. It may appear as a gear icon or as the word Settings, depending on your current layout. If you're on a smaller screen or a mobile browser and don't immediately see the left sidebar, expand the menu or switch to desktop view so you can access the full navigation. Inside Settings, select Account Billing. This is the area where your plan details, billing cycle, and payment information are displayed. It's also where options related to subscription changes live. Give the page a moment to load fully so all links and buttons appear. If you have multiple plans or add-ons, ensure you're viewing the billing section associated with the subscription you want to cancel. On the account billing page, look for the Cancel Account option. Click Cancel Account and then follow the prompts on your screen. The prompts may guide you through a short confirmation process. You might be asked to choose a reason for cancelling, and you may see information about when the cancellation will take effect, either immediately or at the end of your current billing cycle. Read each message carefully so you understand what will change and when. If you see any warnings about active orders or pending tasks, take a moment to review them before confirming. After you confirm, wait for the on-screen confirmation message. You should also see your billing status update to reflect the cancellation. In many cases, you'll receive a confirmation email as well, so check your inbox to keep a record for your files. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh the browser and verify the status shows as cancelled or set to expire on a specific date. That's all there is to it. Open your AutoDS account, go to Settings on the left, click Account Billing, then click Cancel Account and follow the prompts on your screen. Take a moment to verify the confirmation and you're done.